I'm Dr. T.R. Rao, the President and CEO of Market Probe. I'd like to take this opportunity to introduce our new customer advocacy framework. Well, the thinking on this new advocacy framework came about in many ways. Increasingly, our customer satisfaction research clients are demanding more accountability. As over the years, the customer satisfaction research expenditures have grown immensely, and many of the clients feel that they are not getting adequate return on investment. And this demand for accountability got exasperated because of the recession in the last 2 years. Also, there is an increasing body of knowledge published in the last 5 years on brand attachment and the role of word of mouth in building a successful business. And so we looked at the competitive landscape and found many of the models that are in existence are more than 10 years old, and we decided to bring all the new thinking and new literature into this new framework. And that is a part of our innovation. In most marketing research, models measure customer attitudes with the assumption those attitudes lead to future behavior or future loyal behavior to the brand or to the supplier. We have taken the position in advocacy framework by blending some attitudes and some behavior, how customer expresses their experiences to friends and business acquaintances. That communication is becoming critical and more important in the age of social networks. So we have blended attitudes with word of mouth behavior in the advocacy framework. And we had an opportunity to test this framework in a national study for retail banking, and we found the results surprisingly strong. With this new framework, banks can delineate customer groups with significant bottom line potential. Because of deep recession, there has been a contraction in demand for products and services. And as we come out of the recession, there will be a significant increase for these new products and services. And an advocacy framework would help companies to delineate customers that are advocates and also focus on brand attachment and customer experience to bring more advocates into their brand, which will influence the product growth. Well, by reviewing the client's program, we can offer customized consulting services for transitioning to the advocacy platform. In fact, we are doing to one of our clients who follows the NPS program by adding some questions that deal with advocacy, and we can demonstrate to the client how advocacy classifies customers compared to NPS. So it is relatively an easy process by tweaking the existing programs to show that advocacy adds value. And we will offer these consulting services to any client, both in their transitioning of transactional programs or touchpoint surveys or relationship programs.